Okay, here we go. We have a linear garage door opener. We can see this is the old style, old keypads. It's called a D3, Delta D3 for linear. So if we try to remove, reset a garage door opener for this type of keypad, it's super easy to program it again with a new number, new code, password, whatever is it, with the same opener that we use for linear. So basically we have the reset button over here. If we hold that for almost 10-15 seconds, it's gonna flash 3 times, and then that means reset the keypad and any remote else. Now if we want to program it, that will be super easy. Just remember you have 30 seconds to program the keypad. So basically, if you want to reset any keypad or any remote, we hold the reset, the learn button for 15 seconds, and then the opener will flash 3 times. Okay? Now, if we want to program that to new code or the remote, program new remote, press over here, 3 seconds, we leave it. It's gonna turn the learn button mode. You see the mode is on. You can see that. So now we can go to the keypad and we can enter the code, what we want, and press enter, and we see that it's working. Super easy.